Okay, y'all, I am going to show you how you can add a video directly from your iPhone into your Teams. And I've just spent the last half an hour trying to figure out how to do this, and I went online and it says it's not possible. Well, I figured it out and I'm super stoked about it, so let me show you. So let's say you've made a video on your cell phone and you want to share it with the students, right? First thing you need to do is you need to make sure that you have the OneDrive app and the Teams app both downloaded to your iPhone, okay? You then have to open the Teams app and log into your Office 365 through CCPS. Then you have to open the OneDrive app and log into Office 365 through CCPS. If you are not logged into one of those using your Charles County Public Schools account, this is not going to work, okay? Now, you would think because you're using Teams that you want to open the Teams app to upload your video. You do not. You want to open the OneDrive app. So that's what I'm going to do. And it's going to take you here to all your files. And this is all the stuff I have on my OneDrive at work, right? And if you look along the bottom, there are a couple options. It says Files, Recent, there's a little Camera, Shared, and Libraries. If your video is already made, you're going to go to Libraries. And look at what popped up in my libraries. It's all of my Teams classes, okay? So I'm going to use AP Bio as my test group. So I click AP Bio, and looky here. There's my class materials folder. Now, there's a couple extra folders on here. I don't know what those are. We're going to ignore the class files and the documents and the student work. You want to pick class materials. That's what we're supposed to put everything in. You're in the class materials folder. Now you're going to pick the plus sign that's up here to the right of the title, and it's going to drop down with all these options. In my scenario, I already have my video made, so I'm going to pick Upload. And then I'm going to choose Photos and Videos, because then it's going to take me to my camera. And you can see here's my face here because this is my test video. And you can choose from whatever folder you shared your video in. I'm just going to go to Videos for the sake of simplicity. Lots of videos of my dog, but the video I'm going to upload is this one here in the bottom right-hand corner, which is just me saying testing, 1, 2, testing. I'm going to pick it. I'm going to say Done. And then a little blue bar is going to show up at the bottom saying it's uploading the file. Now what you want to do is wait until it says the file is uploaded. And the longer your video is, the longer it's going to take to do that. And look what just popped up. There's a new video. And yes, it's titled something weird because it came from my iPhone, but you should be able to rename it in your Teams. Right here, okay? So what you can do is you can rename it right here once it uploads. You want to hit these 3 little dots to the right, and you're going to click Rename this file down here at the bottom. And I'm going to go ahead and rename it Test Video, because I'm just going to delete it later, but whatever. Test Video. I'm going to hit Done. Boom. It's been changed. Now, here's how you verify that it's in Teams. Go ahead and leave OneDrive. And you're going to go over to Teams, okay? I'm going to drag it down and refresh it to make sure it's where it's supposed to be. And in the bottom right, there's that little button that says Teams. I'm going to pick it, and it shows all my teams. I'm going to refresh it again. I'm going to go to AP Bio. I'm going to go to Files because supposedly that's where I put it. I'm going to go to Class Materials, and look what's there, the test video. And if I click it, it's going to open it. Testing, 1, 2. Oops, my volume's really low. Testing, 1, 2, testing. Whatever. So the volume's not on loud enough for y'all to hear it, but it did work. And if I go to my computer, I can pull it up and it shows up in my team, okay? So that's how you can upload a video to Teams